So here is it where everything started. A small 300 square feet of office and just a few of us. We started with a small office, but all our dreams were big. Our startup or our the way we started, it reminds me of the ad by Sushant Singh Rajput, where he says, ऑफिस बड़ा नहीं है हमारा, बट सपने बहुत बड़े हैं. सैलरी नहीं दे पाऊंगा, लेकिन बिजनेस अच्छा हुआ तो साथ में आसमान छुएंगे, नहीं तो साथ में डूबेंगे. And trust me, this is how it started. When we hired the first batch of our people, I had the same thing. I told them that we don't have money to pay you the salaries, and they said that it's okay. We'll start with you and let's see how far we go. And trust me, for the first few months, we actually didn't work without the salaries. And our first check or our first payment which we got was after 6 months. And the way we were happy and the way we celebrated, trust me, from our first payment also, we actually didn't do the salaries, but we celebrated. That's the first payment we got from our client. After that, things went. The payment cycle settled, and we started getting payments, and everything was settled, and we all started getting salaries. So that is how we started, with a small office with big dreams. And at the end of that ad, Sushant Singh also says, "जो भी हो, उड़ने में बहुत मजा आएगा." And we've been experiencing this since 11 years now. सही में हम सबको उड़ने में बहुत मजा आ रहा है. And we're still having that fun. We're still having those dreams, and we still work on it. So that's how Key Resourcing started. A lot of people had been a part of this successful journey, and I'm sure कि उन्हें भी हमारे साथ उड़ने में बहुत मजा आया होगा. Trust me, we all are fun-loving people. And if you see this video, if you see these memories in our video, you would realize two things. We have a lot of fun, and we eat a lot. We all are foodies. Okay. When I started Key Resourcing, my weight used to be around 59, but now I'm 93. So you can imagine how things change in Key Resourcing. Well, so when we started, it was very small, but at one point of time, we were a strong 150 people with an office of about 6,000 square feet. But as you all know, in business, there are always ups and downs. Right now, we are a team of 43 strong people and going strong. The best thing I would say which happened to me over this period of 11 years is the people. I had the privilege to work with the best people in my career. Some of them are still working with Key Resourcing, and some of them have moved on for really good opportunities, and I've been following them, and I've seen that they've been doing very good in their careers. When I look at them, I feel very proud and feel very happy that with whatever they are now, they have been able to do something in their career, and they've been doing very good in their career. Some of them have started their own businesses and have been doing well in their businesses also. I may not be in touch with all of them, but through social media or through people, I make sure that I know what they're doing. If there's any problem, anything, I personally talk to them, and I'm very happy to see them where they are at this point of their careers. when they started with key resourcing, they started as freshers, and now when I look at them, they are grown up, matured professionals who understands industry better than me or Biju. For key resourcing, profits was never the priority. For us, what always mattered was people and our clients. We've been very fortunate to work with clients who have been associated with us for almost 11 years now. People watching this video, you all would be surprised that except for just one client, we've never ever met any of our other clients. So this virtual working, which is the new normal for everyone, for us this new normal has been there since 11 years. So for us this new normal is the normal for us. So we've never seen our clients, we've never met our clients, but we trust our clients and the clients trust us, and having associated with us for 11 years, so you can imagine the amount of trust they have. The main reason again why the clients have trust on us is because of the people, because of the great team which I have in key resourcing. So without my team, we would not have had success in retaining our clients for so many years. So if you've noticed in this video, the pictures, profits was never our motto and will never be our motto. Our main aim is to make the best company to work for. We may not have the best infrastructure, but the environment which we have in key resourcing is far more better than any other company in this world. Ashish Bhai, our CA, Mr. Ashish Bihani, he would not like this statement, but because he always keeps lecturing me about the profits and the balance sheets, and then he says that we've got potential to become more stronger and bigger. But then somehow back of our mind we always think that this is the culture and this is the environment, that is what it matters to us, and that is the reason why people who left the company, they still say that this is the best company to work for, or anywhere they've worked till now, this was the best company they've worked with. Yeah, so this is what we actually aim at, and this is what key resourcing is known for. Yeah. Now, if you look at the example during this lockdown, okay, a lot of companies basically focus on profits, but what have they done? They've laid off people. But for us, profits is not our main intention, and that is the reason this entire lockdown, this economy, we did not lay off a single person. Why? Because we are not after profits. That is the reason why we all stay together, we all work together, so that we can support each other in these difficult times. And everyone in the team is making sure that we come out of this difficult situation, and this lockdown or this economy hit doesn't affect us. So this is what key resourcing is. This is what my team is, and I'm very proud to have this team, and I'm very proud to have worked with the people previously with key resourcing. So I think I've spoken a lot about what key resourcing is. Just to give you a glimpse, back in 2014 we started with a new venture called Sosigadda, which is a recruitment community for more than 5,000 members. Then we started with our training company, which is SOSPro, which is again a training company for the recruiters. And very recently, we also started with another company called Nimble Hype, which is a digital marketing company. So, so overall, if you look at it, I mean, we've been very successful. But I would like to mention one special person in this entire success, and he's none other than Biju Isaac. Now he has been with the company since the beginning and have always supported KR and me in all the hard times and good times. Trust me, it is never easy to run a company, and if you have people like Biju, then nothing is impossible for you. Without him, I don't think we could have actually made it till here. But he has been responsible for driving the entire client delivery, working with the clients, and I'm very thankful to him that because of him we all could actually achieve this entire thing. Without him, this success is nothing. So thank you so much, Biju, for this. Along with Biju, I would also like to mention a couple of names who have been with us for 11 years and who have been supporting us since 11 years. And that's our the first name I would like to take is our CA, Mr. Ashish Bihani. So Ashish Bhai has helped us a lot in all the statutory aspects, and without him, I would. I don't know anything about the statutory aspects of the companies, right? When I started, so he was the one who has been taking care of all the legal and the statutory aspects. Then the second name I would like to take is Swapnil. Now Swapnil has helped us in setting up our entire infrastructure, and he has been always ready to support us all these 11 years. He's been a great support. So the list goes on, and then there are a lot of other people also, but unfortunately, I mean, I cannot take the names of all those people here. But I would like to thank everyone, each and everyone who made, who were a part of this successful journey. Thank you so much. And I would like to thank my family, and especially my better half, Nasreen, who has been with me since all my ups and downs, and she's been a real support. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of Kiri Sourcing. And with this, I would like to end this here, this message. So thank you so much, and we're sure after the lockdown we're going to have good celebrations. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.